Introducing the Mr. Heater Big Maxx Natural Gas Unit Heater, your answer to year-round comfort in your garage or barn. With a robust 80,000 BTU performance and a range of convenient features, this heating unit offers reliable warmth and versatility. In this review, we'll delve into its key attributes, installation ease, safety measures, and more, providing you with a comprehensive overview of this heating solution to help you make an informed decision. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile heating source. One of the standout features of this heater is its ability to efficiently convert cool air into warm air using a built-in electric high-velocity fan. This fan pulls in cool air from the rear of the heater, passes it through a heat exchanger, and then distributes the warm air into the surrounding areas. This design ensures an even and consistent heating experience. Number 2. Installation ease. Installing this heater is hassle-free. With a mounting clearance of just 1 inch, it can be securely mounted on your ceiling. The included brackets, external power access, and thermostat connections make installation straightforward. However, it's essential to check local codes and restrictions regarding venting options, as this heater can be vented either vertically or horizontally. Number 3. Safety features. Safety is a top priority with this heater. It features a powered exhaust system that allows for both vertical and horizontal venting, complying with Category 1 vertical and Category 3 horizontal venting standards. Additionally, the spark ignition comes equipped with a self-diagnostic control module, enhancing reliability and safety. Number 4. Warranty and durability. Mr. Heater stands behind the durability and performance of this heater by offering a limited 3-year warranty on heater parts and burners, along with an impressive 10-year warranty against defects in the heat exchanger. This warranty provides peace of mind to users, knowing that the product is built to last. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 29.33 inches length by 15.50 inches, width by 26.37 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Powerful 80,000 BTU performance. Efficient electric, high-velocity fan for even heating. Versatile vertical or horizontal venting options. Spark ignition with a self-diagnostic control module for reliability. 1 reason not to buy. Higher initial investment compared to some alternatives. Conclusion. The Mr. Heater Big Maxx Natural Gas Unit Heater is a reliable and efficient heating solution for larger spaces. Its powerful performance, ease of installation, safety features, and generous warranty make it a strong contender for those seeking a dependable heating source for their garage or barn. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.